So in this video, let's talk about one of my favorite ways to earn passive income, and that is through dividend investing in the stock market. Hi guys, Tiyo here of freedomlabph.com, and in this channel, we talk about how you can earn multiple sources of passive income. So may it be through investments, business, or online opportunities, or how you can make money online. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So click the subscribe button. Saan ba yung subscribe button? Okay. Tapos, you also ring that bell button so you'll be notified kapag meron tayong new contents all about earning multiple sources of passive income. Okay? And ngayon, in this video, I'll be talking one of my requested videos. Okay? So, I've asked my subscribers, my followers, ano ba yung mga videos na gusto nilang i-discuss ko in this? Ano ba mga topics na gusto nyong i-discuss dito sa videos ko? So, one of the most requested talaga is investing in the stock market. Okay? Investing in the stock market. However, ako personally, when you say investing and trading in the stock market, hindi siya source of passive income. Okay? Hindi siya source of passive income. Okay? But there is such thing as dividend investing. Okay? Kung gusto mo kumita ng passive income through the stock market, yung isa sa mga favorite ko is dividend investing. And if you want to learn more about this strategy, then let's get into the whiteboard, okay? And let's discuss about how you can earn passive income through dividend investing in the stock market. So in terms of investing in the stock market, there are two common strategies, okay? Two common strategies in the stock market. So, by the way, if you don't know what the stock market is, so meron akong separate video, okay? So I have a separate video or a playlist. So you check mo lang yung playlist, okay, in this channel. So I'll talk all about how the stock market works, okay? So ngayon, let's talk about how you can earn passive income through the stock market. And again, there are two major commonly known strategy. So it is number one, being an investor and being a active trader, okay? So active trader. So sa investor kasi, basically this is like buying a certain stock or company, tapos over the long term you hope na mag-grow siya. Okay, so let's say for example you buy Jollibee. Okay, so sa stock market it will be nasa coding kasi yan eh. So ito yung code ng Jollibee, JFC. And let's say for example you invested in like 2010, okay, and then it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up to 2020 and beyond. Okay, so assuming na you're gonna invest over the long term. So this is actually a passive income strategy, okay? Now over long term, as long as you invest in a company na stable naman, so mag-grow talaga yung value. So it's just like investing in real estate. Over the years, mag-appreciate yung value niya. Okay? As the company gets more valuable, the more expansions they do, mag-grow yung value ng company. However, hindi siya nagbibigay ng regular source of passive income. Okay? So like kapag gusto mong kumita or you want to use the money, you invest in this stocks, kailangan mo siyang ibenta. So you have to sell it because wala siyang regular source of passive income. Okay? So para sa akin, investing in the stock market, long-term investing in the stock market is okay for capital appreciation. That is also passive income. Pero I cannot consider it as a freedom asset, okay? Freedom asset. So, ano ba tong freedom asset? So, again, I have a separate video also about that one. So, you might check it out. So, yung point ng freedom asset is that it gives regular cash flow, okay? It gives regular cash flow. Same thing with being a trader. So, sa trader naman, this is long term. For trader naman, this is short term, okay? Short term. So, let's say for example, up and down kasi din sa market, diba? Up and down. So, yung goal mo as a trader is that you buy dito, low, and you hopefully sell high, okay? So, you buy low and sell high, okay? So, meaning, in just a short span of time, okay, like days, weeks, okay? Kikita ka na kaagad. So, bibili ka ngayon, bibenta mo na kaagad. Okay? So, compare natin yan with real estate. So, yung long-term investing or being an investor, this is like capital appreciation. Capital appreciation. So, like, you invest in a property because over long term, nakikita mo na, oh, itong property na to, bibili muna ako ng property sa province because developing yung province. Okay, so years from now, mag-grow yung province, meron na mga banks, meron na mga malls, yung value na binili ko in that property, mag-grow din. Okay, so yan yung being a long-term investor. For being a trader naman, if you compare that with real estate, it's like flipping. Okay, flipping real estate. So bibili ka in a pre-selling price. Okay, tapos once nandun na yung property, meron ng condo, meron ng house and lot, okay, you right away sell it. Okay, you right away sell it for a quick buck. Okay, so that is trading. Okay, so for trading naman, this is very active. Okay, very active because you have to really monitor the market. Okay, you really have to monitor the market. So hindi siya passive income. Okay? Hindi siya passive income. So ito yung commonly known strategies. However, there's a third strategy, okay, and I believe hindi lahat, hindi masyadong maraming nagtuturo about this strategy, and that is called dividend investing strategy. Okay, dividend investing strategy. So, ano ba tong dividend investing strategy? So, let's find out. Okay, so dividend investing. So, ano ba tong dividend investing strategy in the stock market? So, from the word itself, dividend, so what you're gonna do is hahanap ka ng mga stocks na nagbibigay ng regular dividends. Okay? Regular dividends. So, ano bang example nito? Like, ganito pala. So, dividend is like a surplus in the company's earnings, okay? Earnings, tapos they reward it to their investors, okay? So, they give it to their investors, okay? And then, yun nga, not all stocks are created equal. So, hindi lahat ng stocks nagbibigay ng dividend. So, you intentionally look for stocks na nagbibigay ng regular dividend. So, the good thing with dividend investing is that some stocks, they give dividends on an annual basis. Meron din quarterly. Okay? Semi-annual pa pala. Semi-annual. And then, if you know how to find, meron din mga stocks na nagbibigay ng monthly dividends. So just imagine, ba? So if they give regular dividends, then that's basically cash flow, alright? Cash flow. So that is passive income, okay? Passive income. So example would be, again, these are just examples, not stock recommendation, okay? So I highly suggest you do your due diligence. So again, this isn't a financial advice. Seek professional financial advice. So this is just for informational purposes only. So example, BDO. Okay, BDO. So si BDO, you can invest in BDO over the long term, okay, which is okay naman. However, si BDO din nagbibigay ng quarterly dividends. Okay? So as of this video, so we can verify that in the Philippine Stock Exchange, si BDO nagbibigay siya ng quarterly dividends. Okay? So, another example would be Globe Telecom. Okay, Globe, nagbibigay din siya ng quarterly dividend. So, when you think about it, like, it's something na kahit, kahit whatever the market is doing, up or down, this one is cash directly to your account. Okay, cash directly to your account, and you don't have to sell your stock. Okay, you don't have to sell your stock. You can just transfer it from your broker account papunta ka agad dun sa bank account mo. Okay, so this is cash. Okay, this is cash. So yun yung nagustuhan ko with dividend investing. And if you can find companies that give 4% to even, I believe meron ng mga companies na nagbibigay ng 10% in dividends. Okay, this is pretty decent already. Pretty decent already. Okay, so example, you have like 2 million. Okay, 2 million worth of shares of a dividend investing, okay, dividend paying stock, okay, tapos nagbibigay siya ng 10% annually. So meron kang like 200k per year in dividends. Okay, 200k per year in dividends. So how cool is that? Okay, so depending on the company, if nagbibigay siya ng annual returns, then 200k per month, per year. Kapag quarterly naman, divide mo lang by 4, or kapag monthly naman, divide mo lang siya by 12. So this is cash flow, this is a freedom asset, this is passive income. However, yeah, this is good. Okay, this is good. But ano ba yung disadvantage of dividend investing? Okay? Ano ba yung disadvantage of dividend investing? So, I'm gonna also share that. So, ito yung disadvantages of dividend investing. Okay? So, I've already mentioned yung positive, di ba? Yung like advantage. So, it's passive income. However, yung disadvantage is that hindi guaranteed. Okay? Hindi guaranteed. Again, dividends is like surplus of the company's earnings. You know? So, what if yung company is not earning enough, then walang dividends. Ay, walang dividend. Example would be like Cebu Pacific. Okay? Cebu Pacific was one of the highly high-paying dividend stocks like last 2019. Okay? But because of the pandemic on 2020, they have grabe yung losses nila. So, with that, hindi sila nagbigay ng dividends on 2020. So, hindi siya guaranteed yung dividends, okay? So that's why if you want to go into dividend investing, dapat you also know how to analyze a stock, okay? Yung stock na nagbibigay ng regular dividends, and you also need to know how to check the cash flow or the financial statements of the companies that you want to invest in, okay? So yeah, there's a little bit of monitoring and you need to know which stocks to invest in, okay? Next is, kailangan mo ng huge capital. Huge capital kasi again, in dividend investing, okay na if you can find companies that gives 4 to 10%. Okay? So, if meron ka lang 10,000 invested, okay, magkano lang yung 4% yan? It's like, kano ba? 400 pesos lang, di ba? So, hindi mo siya ma-appreciate. However, why I love to do dividend investing is ganito. So, while you're still earning income, okay? So, if meron ka pang income, part of your income, you put it into these assets. So this is something that you grow over time. Okay, grow over time because sooner or later, wala ka ng energy or you might not want to work anymore. Like, para bang like you wanna retire or you wanna, at least you want to have a security na even if wala ka ng source of income, okay, meron ka pa rin an asset that gives you regular cash flow. Okay, so I don't know if I'm making sense doon. Okay, so example would be, a lot of times I hear people like, bakit ko ba i-invest yung pera ko? Okay, I'm having a business and then why not I just reinvest it back sa business? So that is good, okay? But again, if you think about it, sooner or later, what if you don't want to do business anymore? So at least you've already built an asset, a freedom asset na still nagbibigay ng cash flow. Okay? So this is something that you need to build over time. Kaya medyo kailangan siya ng malaking capital if you want to really appreciate having like substantial dividends in this strategy. Okay? And then of course it is tax. Okay? So taxable yung dividends, okay? So, tax, I'm not really sure how much that would be, probably 10, 12%. And then, the platform I'm even using right now, so I'm also using a platform, it's taking away like 30% of my dividends. So, medyo malaki din. So let's say, for example, kikita ka ng 100,000, okay? So, 30K yung makukuha from my platform, okay? And then 70K na lang yung net ko. So, yeah. But then again, it's something na you also have to decide na that is the price you pay for convenience. That's the price you pay for receiving regular cash flow. Okay? So, that is stock market dividend investing. So, again, there are 3 ways. Ito pa pala, I need to also to connect this one with real estate. So, let's say, for example, if you wanna compare this with real estate, okay? Real estate, this is like having rental income, okay? Having rental income, all right? So again, 3 ways in strategies in investing in the stock market. Long-term investing, so this is like capital appreciation. So you buy a property right now, hoping over the long term mag-increase yung value niya, okay? Next would be trading, right? Stock trading. So this is like flipping in real estate. Bibili ka na yun ng stocks and then you buy it, okay, at a short span of time. And then for dividend investing, compare that with real estate, this is like having your own rental property. So what you do is you buy a property, okay? Tapos you expect to collect rent every single month. So ito naman, you buy a stock and you expect to collect dividend on a regular basis. Alright, so that is it. That is dividend investing in the stock market. So if you find this video valuable, I highly suggest you click that subscribe button, okay, and ring that bell button. And then if you want more content like this one, meron din akong platform called Freedom Lab, okay, Freedom Lab, so you can visit that, freedomlabph.com. So you subscribe, and then after you subscribe, you can check out yung online platform ko wherein I share doon all about how you can create multiple sources of passive income. And if you love this video also about dividend investing, meron din akong free web class, okay? So free web class, it's all about the stress-free investing strategy in the stock market, and you guessed it right, it's all about dividend investing. So if you want to dive deeper into dividend investing, just check out the link in the description down below, and then register for my free web class. All right, so once again, this is Tiyo, Pilo, and create your desired lifestyle. Bye-bye!